everyone, welcome to Curry Kitchen, and this is Narendra, and this is Adi. He's my sous chef. He's gonna help me out for cooking today. All right, we are going to make Lacha Paratha today, and this is a flat bread, one kind of flat bread. So it's very easy. I was gonna show you how we're gonna make it very easily. So first thing we need like a flour, all-purpose flour. Uh, we have melted butter, we have sugar, we have salt, and a little bit milk. So we're gonna start with the butter here. Alright, and can you mix this one please with the spoon? That's fine. So we're gonna mix all the butter and the flour all mix nicely, and we're gonna add some sugar here, like a 1 teaspoon sugar. We have like around 2 cup of all-purpose flour, and so I'm gonna add a half teaspoon salt. So when you mix all together nicely, all together nicely, then we're gonna add little bit milk I have here, like we're gonna put like a 3 tablespoon milk, and gonna mix it up here. So remember, like if you it's need to be like a nice and firm, not too wet and not too hard, the dough. So if you feel like a dough is getting like too watery, so you can add the flour. But if you need, if it's too tight, you can add always milk or little bit water. I'm gonna put a little bit water in here. And I'm gonna add a little bit of flour here. It's like too much water here. So. What do you think, Ali? Yeah, you like it? It's pretty easy, right? So as you guys see, like this is very easy. The dough is almost ready here. Yeah. So after you make the dough, what we're gonna do, we're gonna cover it up and give it to the rest. So we need to rest like 15 to 20 minutes. We need to rest the dough, and after that we need to make the ball. We need to turn them into the ball like this. We had prepared already in advance, which is here. So this is the dough is ready. We have this. So you guys can see like it's very soft. It's very soft, and but it's not sticky. That's very important. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna apply some butter here on the chopping board. A little bit on top, maybe inside here. Make it a little bit wider. Then one hand we're gonna put it in the bottom, another hand we're gonna put it on top like this. Then we're gonna throw like that. We're gonna make it thinner. You guys see, getting thinner and thinner. Very nice. Even if you have a rolling pin, you can do with the rolling pin as well. And the dough is very soft, so we're gonna apply some butter here. Apply some butter here. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna hold it. We're gonna hold one side and another end, both end. Then just keep folding like this. Keep folding, keep folding. Then we're gonna roll it like this. A little bit tighter. So this one also we need to give rest for like a 10 to 15 minutes. We're gonna make all this dough. We're gonna turn them in a round shape this way, and a little bit butter on top, and leave it so they don't get dry. So let's do another one. I will show you guys another one. Make some nice butter here. So this is like in India, it's called like a Canai roti or a Lacha Paratha. In Malaysia, it's called like a Canai roti. So these are all kind of similar. So, but let me tell you, these are very delicious. You can eat with the lentils or any type of curry, like a chicken curry, lamb curry, or any type of curry. So this way. Do you want to try? Try. If it's wrong, that's fine. Put one hand here, down. This hand down, and this hand here. Hold it. Pick it up and throw. Yes, that's it. Let me show you again. This one and this one, like that. Very nice. So as you see, like if you involve your kids in a cooking, they get encouragement to try the different kind of food. And my son, he always like to watch how I cook, and he wants to get involved. So it's very good. Then after that we cook. Do you want to try the paratha wrap today? You want to eat it? Yeah? They're gonna be delicious, right? Alright. Are you excited? Alright, very nice. So let's make it this one as well. One for me and one for my son. So there you go. And don't worry about if you get mess or anything. You can just put with the hand. It's always fine. So we're gonna put nice butter here. Already. So we're gonna fold here. So you guys see, like it's pretty easy. So let's roll it. Put it here. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn on the pan. So make sure whenever you cook with the kids, it's very important safety, because kitchen is already dangerous, you guys know. So whenever the fire is there or anything, you have to be careful with your kids. Make sure they are safe. Right, can you just go over there? We're gonna turn on this one. Open the gas here. Put it there. Gas is on. In the beginning your pan should be hot, so I'm gonna do the high flame, and when the pan is hard enough, then I'm gonna slow down the temperature, maybe medium mild to medium. So right now make sure your pan is hot before you cook the paratha. So let me slow it down first, because now it's time. We need to roll this one a little bit, make it flatter. We can't cook this way because it's too thick inside. It will not cook very well. So we have to thin it out. This one is very important. So I'm gonna put a little bit of butter here, both sides. Then we're gonna make it thin. So this we call Lacha Paratha. What the Lacha means, like when it's cooked, the inside it has layers, and it's kind of it's very soft to eat it. So as you guys see, it's pretty easy. You don't need a lot of stuff, you don't need a long time, and you don't have to cook in the oven, bake in the oven for a long time. It's cooked real quick. So as I see, like, pan is getting hot. Let me put this on. Yeah, pan is nice and hot. I'm gonna lower down the temperature here a little bit, so make sure the bread doesn't get burned. Have the spatula here. As you see, like, it's a nice and golden color coming on the other side. So we're gonna turn this other side. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my god. Look at that. Do you like this color?
Yeah.
So make sure it's golden color. We need a golden color. So lower down your temperature because your pan is hot, so you don't need a high flame. You see that? It's cooking nicely. So if you have a paper or something, you can press it, or cloth, clean cloth, so that it cooks very well all the way. We're gonna turn this. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful here. So let me know how you guys like our videos, and subscribe our channel please if you like our videos. Any comments or any questions, please feel free to ask anytime. Turn this again. Now next one. Now you guys see, like, I didn't put the butter before. What happens, like, if you put the butter before, it's gonna burn very fast. So I make sure, like, the bread is cooking inside, till inside. So then after that I gonna put the butter. Slow down, slow down. Now I'm gonna put the butter other side too.
Mommy.
Beautiful. Alrighty. So our paratha is cooked. Now next, what we do before we serve this one, we're gonna put it here. Before we serve it, there is a trick I'm gonna show you guys. This one we need to smash it. Now you can serve it. It's so beautiful, and this way it's very soft and very tasty it's gonna be. So let's try how it is. It's hot, we have to be careful. My son and me, we're gonna try. I'm gonna give to my son to try first. And make sure it's not hot. Okay. You tell me how it is, okay? So good. And when you dip in your curry sauce, chicken curry or vegetable curry, any kind of curry, dip with the vegetable sauce and you eat it, it's gonna be yummy, yummy. Alright, thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time.